Hi, I'm Tim McCain, dialing 40 galleon in this 23 F-150. What I want to demonstrate today is adaptive cruise control. I don't know if you've ever heard of it, but adaptive cruise control, when I'm going down the road, I set my speed. I'm going 70, the person in front of me is going 65. You automatically slow to a safe distance. And you do have a gap selector here where I can change how aggressive or how close I want to be to somebody. But what I'm going to show you today is they keep adding cool features to these adaptive cruise controls. I'm going to set this up. I'm going to hit features, driver assistance, adaptive cruise control. I want the speed sign recognition on, but hey, I'm a speeder, right? So you say, I'm not going to go speed limit, I'm going to go 5 miles an hour over. I can hit the tolerance and I can actually turn that up or down, but I can't do that for you. You're going to do that yourself, but I'll show you how to get there. But we're going to go back. Now I'm going to go down the road and I'm going to show you what happens on the speed recognition. Okay, as you can see, I got my cruise control set at 35 miles an hour. There's a speed limit sign coming up saying 45. So when I cross that line, boom, you see it switched to 45. Now the vehicle automatically speeds back up to the speed limit. So you can see how this can come in handy if you're not paying attention there, but of course always pay attention when you're driving. But hey, come in and check this vehicle out at dialing 40 galleon today.